Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and T-ball has got to be one of those classic kid games, and this little Tikes set is the perfect starter set for your little one.
The bat and the balls and the base, they're all lightweight enough and proportioned just right so that little toddlers can easily set it up and play without needing a lot of help from adults. We got it for our friend's little boy who is almost 3 years old, and he had no issues whatsoever using that bat to make contact with the balls. It's so easy to take apart and put together again, and all the pieces are so lightweight that it is super simple to just throw it in your car or your camper to take with you to the beach or camping so your little boy or girl can have fun with it wherever you go. The base of the T-ball set, it really didn't matter whether it was on the beach or on our lawn. It was really stable either way.
This T-ball set is a perfect addition for your outdoor toy set for either your little one or your friend's little one. And that's my point of view.